Alright, so now we need to make this change password. Okay, so for this change password functionality also we need to create a URL pattern. So let's go ahead and create it. So inside this accounts URLs, so I'll copy this path and paste it. So this is change password. Okay, so this is change password, and view also change password. I'll say change underscore password. Okay, change password, and this is also change password. Okay, in the views I'll create a view, define change password with the request and return render request comma accounts slash change password dot html. So we don't have the change password dot html, right? So I'll copy this edit profile. And paste it here. Okay, so this edit profile I'll just rename it to change password.html. so we have this change password.html file. Okay, now I'll say change your password. Okay, so now if you go to this accounts change password, then you have, okay, so we need to actually edit this file. Okay, this form. Okay, before that we will handle this handle this links and all. Just go to this dashboard sidebar.html, and now I will copy this href and put it here. Now this is change password, and also I will copy this if condition, copy, and I'll put it here. So this is change password. If change password in request path, then this is active. Okay, so refresh. Alright, so now this is active, and now this is active. This is all the tabs are working, right? So now this thing will handle. Okay, this form. First of all, okay, change password.html. We don't need this encoding type. I'll just remove it. No problem even if you put it. Okay, so I'll change the action. Now this is method post csrf token. So now this form row, so this is actually what we can do. We will remove this. Okay, we will remove this, and also we will remove this phone number and profile picture, this one also. Okay, we'll keep this form group. Alright, so this is the full width, right? So this is also full width. We'll keep this address line 1, line 2. Then we don't need this div as well. Alright, so now we have this address line 1. So I will rename it to current password, because for changing his password he has to put his current password, right? So here I'll say input type password. Okay, so name will be current underscore password. We don't need this ID. Okay, placeholder, if you want you can say current password. This is required. Okay, and we need a class of form control. Okay, so now I'll copy this and put it here. So this is now create new password. Okay, create new password. So this is now a type equal to password, and a name, instead of current password I'll say new password. Okay, so now this is in the placeholder create new password. This is also required. Okay, the same way I will copy and paste this div. So now this is confirm new password. So this is confirm password. Okay, so this name will be confirm password. So this is placeholder, and in the placeholder I'll say confirm new password. Now this in the input type submit, so value this is save. All right, so now if I refresh, now you can see current password, and we'll remove this this profile picture. Okay, we don't need that. Refresh. All right, current password, create new password, and confirm new password. All right, so once I click on this save, or I can say instead of this save I'll say submit. Okay, once I say submit, so this will submit to change password view, right? We have set the form action is change password, right? So it will come here. So here in this place we need to handle. I'll first check if a request is a post. Okay, request dot methods is equal to post, and so from the post request I will take the change current password and new password and confirm password. Okay, so I'll say current password is equal to request dot post of current password. Okay, so this current password I'm taking from this name. Okay, so this name is very important. New password and confirm password. All right, so we got the current password. Now I will copy and paste 2 times. So now this is new password. So new password equal to new underscore password. So this is confirm password. Confirm password equal to confirm password. Okay, so we have these 3 passwords now. So let's get the user object. Okay, so let's say user is equal to account dot objects dot get and username underscore exact is equal to request dot user dot username. Okay, so this username we have inside this account model, right? If you see here in this account model we have a username, right? We have a username. So this username, if you see here in the create user method we have a username, right? So that's the username. So that's also the field of this account model. Okay, so that's why we are calling this username. Okay, and now we got the user object. So this exact means this will actually check the username. This username is exactly as it is in the database. Okay, so iExact means we have this iExact also. iExact means it is a case insensitive. Okay, so this iExact is case sensitive. All right, so now let's check if this current password, if this new password is equal to confirm password, because these both passwords should be same, right? So let's say let's check this password. Okay, let's check and store it inside a success variable. I'll say user dot check underscore password check password, and we will pass this current password. Okay, because we want to check the password. Okay, because if you don't check the password, then we don't know. Even if he put the wrong current password, then the system should not allow him to reset his password, right? So that's why we are using this check password method to check his password. Okay, because we cannot just check it because this password is hashed, right? So this these passwords is in the form of a hashed format, so that's why we use this Django's built-in check password method to check this password. Okay, so this will give the a result and store it inside this success variable. Okay, so if it is success, that means if the current password what he gave is the right one, then we are going to say user dot set password set password, which password, this password. Okay, new password. Okay, so this set password also Django's inbuilt function. Okay, so because using this set password, Django will take this password and automatically hash it. Okay, so it will store it in the hashed format so that nobody can read it. So that's how it is. And also user dot save. Okay, so now we can say messages dot success request comma password updated successfully. Okay, and redirect the user, return redirect to where change password. Okay, redirect to change password. Alright, you can also log out. Okay, once you set the password, if you do this auth dot logout with this request, then what will happen? So it will set the password and just log you off from the system. Okay, so you need to log in again. Okay, I'll just comment this line. Okay, so I don't want to log out, just set it and redirect back to change password. If you want to log out, so then you can just uncomment it. Okay, and yeah, so this is in case of the current password is correct. Okay, so if the current password is not correct, then what we will say? We will say messages dot error request comma please enter valid current password. Now also return redirect to this change password page. Okay, so this part is done. Now we will handle this else condition, that is if new password equal to confirm password, right? So these new password and confirm password is same, then only we are going to run all this command. Okay, all this code. So if this new password and confirm password are different, so then what we are going to do? We are going to say messages dot error request comma which message you want to give. You want to say password does not match. Okay, password does not match. Now I'll redirect return redirect to change password. Alright, redirect him to this change password. Okay, and one more thing I want to say is this change password should be only available when you are logged in. Okay, so that's why I'll say login required, login URL is equal to login. Okay, because if you are not logged in, then you cannot set you cannot access this change password view. Okay, so the same way I will copy this decorator here also. Okay, so the edit profile also, it should be you have to be logged in, and let's say inside this my orders also you have to be logged in, right? So okay, so that's enough. And one more thing, so see, even if you don't put auth.logout, so Django is going to log you out. Okay, So this is by default, it will log out. All right, so now I just want to refresh this and see this functionality. Okay, first of all, what I'll do, I'll put a wrong password, and let's see, password does not match. And let me see if I put the wrong password and new password, and this is confirm new password. Okay, so these both password, if I put correct, I have put these two password proper, and this current password is wrong. Okay, so let me see. Alright, please enter a valid current password. Now I'll make it proper. A new password. Submit. Okay, where am I going? Okay, login. So not like this. Okay, I should actually go to this login. Okay, so just remove this forward slash from here. Okay, so now this should be fine. Alright, I successfully logged out actually, because I set the password, right? So I will log in. Alright, so I'll say, okay, I'll go to this change password, and now I'll say current password is alright. Let me submit this. Alright, password updated successfully, and I am logged out now. Okay, because we are redirecting to change password, right? So that's why, and this change password needs to be logged in, right? So that's why it is telling you next equal to account password. Alright, so that's it. Okay,